Hi everybody. On this video I will show you how to fix the blue screen restart loop with inaccessible boot device error if this issue is related to BIOS settings such as after BIOS reset or changes in settings, after BIOS update, after upgrading laptop to an SSD drive, after cloning HDD to SSD. If the source of the problem is an error in the Windows operating system or in boot files after Windows update, viruses infection, apps or drivers installation, inappropriate shutdown or whatever, there is another video will guide you how to fix that, and you will find its link in the video description or from notification cards. In order to be able to solve the problem in your laptop or any other laptop, it is necessary to understand variations in BIOS settings based on disk format, MPR vs GPT, and type, SSD vs HDD. This is a Lenovo Y510p laptop. It was upgraded by adding an SSD drive and moving the Windows 10 system from the old HDD to it. The format scheme of the old HDD drive was MPR, and the BIOS settings were as followings. SATA Controller Mode, AHCI. Boot Mode, Legacy Support. Boot Priority, Legacy First. In order for the cloned system to work from this new SSD, the SATA Controller Mode must be changed from AHCI to Compatibility Mode, otherwise your laptop will stick on Windows logo or blue screen boot loop. This change is only required in some older laptops. Also, other two settings should remain the same unchanged, otherwise the computer will boot into a blue screen with inaccessible boot device error if boot mode and boot priority changed into UEFI options. As you can see, both disks disappeared after changing the settings from Legacy to UEFI because they have an MPR format and UEFI boot do not support this drive format. Also, it's worth noting that the UEFI option is better than Legacy especially in booting speed, but it only works if the disk has a GPT format. In summary, MPR disks required Legacy boot. GPT disks required UEFI boot. Some older laptops required compatible SATA controller mode. Now, let's go into the blue screen error in my laptop and how to fix it. The issue happens after updating BIOS software due to automatic BIOS reset into default settings that support UEFI boot and GPT disk drives. So to fix that, BIOS settings must be changed to MPR compatible settings as followings. Boot the PC and press F2 key to open BIOS settings. Common keys used: ESC, delete, F1, F2, F10, F11, or F12. Change the boot mode into Legacy Support instead of UEFI Support. Change the boot priority into Legacy First instead of UEFI First. And change the SATA controller mode into Compatible instead of AHCI because I have an SSD drive on this older laptop. Rearrange disks so that the first disk is the one that contains the Windows operating system. Navigate into Exit panel and select Exit and Save Changes option. The first boot after these changes will take longer time. If you are still unable to fix this issue, please feel free to add a comment containing the type of problem and error code you have, and we will do our best to help you. Thanks for watching and for subscription.